Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to whiten teeth in Adobe Photoshop CC under 1 minute. So let's get started. After opening your image, go to Layer panel. Click on Adjustment Layer icon, and choose Hue Saturation. Select yellows from the list. Then move the saturation slider towards extreme left side, and lightness slider towards extreme right side. Boom! It's done. Let me show you before and after. This is before. And this is after. Before. After. So that was the tutorial for whitening teeth in Adobe Photoshop CC. I hope you like it. If you have any question, suggestion or feedback, feel free to comment below. Also please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.